Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. Another day, another fragrance. And today, I'm so excited. So that you can see I do my makeup to match this perfume. And today, I'm gonna do the unbox and review for Dior Poison EDT one. I'm so excited, so let's get started. I'm not sure if I should do the black smoky eye or the green smoky eyes, but anyway, it matches the perfume, so let's unbox it. The box is kind of greenish, black something. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm excited. By the way, before I see the fragrance, I heard a lot of good things that a lot of people love this one. It's like vintage fragrance that in the 80s or 90s, everybody loves it back then. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Oh my god, the color matches my lips really well. Oh my god, the packaging looks so sleek. This is the white cap. I believe that the old version would be the black cap. And by the way, this one is, I just bought it for 2020, so I'm not sure. It's a reformulated one. It's not that old one that people love it, so I cannot compare which one is better. But because I'm just into fragrance this year, so I don't know about that, but this one looks phenomenal. By the way, this is not the first impression. I smelled it before at the store. Me and my friends agree with this one that it's kind of woody, bitter, but somehow it's sexy. It makes me feel like you wear this one to go to your ex funeral or something like that. Let's try it on for the second time. It's super woody. By the way, the packaging is everything is so beautiful. I haven't seen the notes yet, but right now it might be amber or something. Let's take a look for the notes. I don't want to be wrong all the time. So, by the way, I saw a lot of reviews say that this one for older women, but we passed through that, girls. Anyone any age could wear any fragrance if they like. So let's take a look for the notes. So the top notes are plum, wild berries, coriander, Brazilian rosewood. Middle notes are tuberose, incense, white honey, cinnamon, apopanax, carnation, jasmine, African orange flower, rose. And the base notes are vanilla, amber, sandalwood, heliotrope, musk, vetiver, Virginia cedar. I don't smell jasmine at all. A little bit of rose, I would say, and it's really strong amber and sandalwood that I could smell. It's already dry, but it's really beautiful. It's like beautiful ambery and sandalwood. And now I could smell a little bit of honey, which is strange. I'm not feeling like I do not like this fragrance at all. It's unique. In my opinion, it's really woody and I like it. Now it dries out and it's not as strong as the beginning. It's light. Because it's the EDT one, but in my country they only sell the EDT one, which is kind of... Anyway, I think it's kind of sexy if you ask me. Bitter but sexy. Anyway, I'm gonna do the wear test for this one also. Right now it's 1:30 and I will be back for the wear test. So for my second impression at the beginning and dry down, I think I would wear this one to my ex funeral. Oh my god, the dries down is really sexy. Now I could smell a little bit of rose, honey, and strong sandalwood, and amber. It's really interesting and unique if you ask me. It's not too strong at all. I think you can wear anywhere if you want. Hi guys, welcome back. Right now it's 11:30. I'm so surprised this fragrance still lasts on me. Right now it's skin scent. It lasts strongly on me for around 6 to 7 hours, and after that it's so weird that they from the woody, strong, bitter fragrance tend to be like vanilla, a little bit powdery and sweet. It's really weird. I couldn't feel the sweetness from the first 6 hours at all. It's really sexy, woody, amberly, and I don't know. This is such a unique fragrance, and right now still have a little bit of that sweetness, vanilla, on my skin. It's so weird. I didn't think that I would like this one that much, and I do like it a lot. It's that vintage woody fragrance that turned out to be kind of sweet vanilla at the end. It's so weird. And that's my final thought, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.